Chapter 4. The Western Desert. A desert is a large, dry region that receives very little rainfall during the year. Usually less than 25 centimeters. It may look empty at first, but deserts have their own kinds of plants, animals, and people who are well adapted to live there. The land is often sandy or rocky, and there are few trees or rivers. India is home to one such desert, the Thar Desert, also called the Great Indian Desert. It is one of the hottest and driest parts of our country. The Thar Desert lies in the northwestern part of India. Most of it is in the state of Rajasthan, but it also stretches into parts of Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana and continues across the western border into Pakistan. This desert lies west of the Aravalli Hills and is bordered by the Satluj River basin to the northeast, the Rann of Kutch to the south, and the Indo-Pakistan border to the west. The Thar Desert is huge, covering over 2 lakh square kilometers. It is one of the most densely populated deserts in the world. Physical features. The Great Indian Desert is mostly flat and sandy, but its surface is shaped by strong desert winds and occasional rainfall. The land is covered with sand dunes, small or large hills of loose sand formed by the wind. These dunes can shift and change shape over time. There are few rivers in this region. The Luni River is the only major one and it dries up in many places. In some parts, water stored below the ground creates oases, singular oases, small green areas where farming and settlement are possible. The land in this region is mostly arid, meaning dry and lacking in moisture, which limits plant growth. The soil is sandy and porous, which means water does not stay long after rain. Climate. The climate of the Great Indian Desert is hot and dry for most of the year. Summers are extremely hot, with temperatures often rising above 45 degrees Celsius during the day. Winters are cooler, with pleasant days and cold nights. Desert nights can get very cold and temperatures may drop below 10 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is very low, averaging less than 25 centimeters a year. Most of the rain falls during the monsoon, but only for a short time. Hot dry winds, called Lu, blow during the summer months, often carrying sand with them and creating dust storms. Because of this harsh climate, both people and animals in this region have developed special ways to live and work. Natural vegetation. Since there is very little rainfall and long periods of dryness in a desert, only certain types of plants can survive. An oasis is a small area in a desert that has a supply of water and is able to support vegetation. Thorny bushes, dry grasses, cacti, and trees such as date palms, khejdi, kikar, and babool grow well in these areas. These are hardy plants that need very little water. The khejdi tree grows well even in sandy soil, provides food and shade to animals and improves the soil for farming nearby. These plants also help prevent soil erosion, which happens when strong desert winds blow away the top layer of loose soil. Their roots hold the soil in place and stop it from being carried away. Wildlife. Though the desert looks dry and empty, many animals call it home. The camel, known as the ship of the desert, is well suited for carrying goods and people across sandy terrain. Other animals include the chinkara, Indian gazelle, blackbuck, foxes, and monitor lizards. Birds such as the great Indian bustard, eagles, vultures, and partridges can be spotted here. These animals are adapted to survive with little water and can handle the hot temperatures. Lifestyle. Living in a desert requires special ways of adapting to heat, dryness, and water scarcity. Homes are built with thick walls and small windows to keep the interiors cool. Many houses have flat roofs and are made of mud or stone, materials that trap less heat. Villages and towns are spread out, and many people still live in small settlements or lead a nomadic life. Some desert people, known as Banjaras, move from place to place in search of water, food, and pasture for their animals. They travel with their belongings and often live in tents or small huts. Most villages store water using underground tanks called tankas. People also dig wells or collect rainwater during the monsoon. People wear light, loose-fitting clothes in bright colors. Women wear ghagras, ornis and jewelry, while men wear turbans to protect themselves from the sun. The camel is the most important animal in the desert. It is known as the sheep of the desert because it can travel long distances across the hot, sandy land without needing much water. Camels are not only used for transport, they also help in plowing fields, drawing water from wells and carrying goods. Despite the difficult conditions, people in the desert have developed smart ways to survive and build a vibrant culture. Many families are involved in farming, weaving, handicrafts and tourism. Rajasthan, capital, Jaipur. Famous places, Golden Jaisalmer Fort, the desert town of Bikaner, the Pushkar Camel Fair and the sand dunes of Sam. Crops grown, bajra, pearl millet, gram, chickpeas and mustard. Languages spoken, Rajasthani and Hindi. Occupations, farmers, traders, artisans, folk performers and tour guides. Culture, folk dances such as Ghumar and Kalbelia are performed during festivals such as Tej, Gangaur and the Desert Festival. People wear colorful turbans, ghagras and ornis. They enjoy dishes such as dal bati churma, kersangari and gatte ki sabzi. Life in the region. Even though the Thar Desert has a harsh climate, it is home to millions of people who have built a vibrant and colorful life here. Importance of the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert plays a valuable role in India's geography, economy, and culture. The Great Indian Desert lies along India's western border and acts as a natural barrier, protecting the country from invasions in the past. Despite the harsh conditions, the desert supports a range of plants and animals specially adapted to dry climates, including the rare Great Indian bustard and desert fox. The desert region, especially Rajasthan, is known for its vibrant culture, traditional music, dances, colorful clothes and famous fairs such as the Pushkar Camel Fair and Desert Festival of Jaisalmer. Tourists from across India and the world visit desert cities such as Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Jodhpur to see forts, sand dunes and traditional arts. Camel safaris and folk performances are major attractions. The desert receives strong sunlight for most of the year. This makes it an ideal place for solar energy farms, which help India move towards clean energy. The region is known for leatherwork, puppet making, tie-and-dye fabrics and mirror work embroidery, providing income to thousands of skilled artisans. Words I know. Desert, a large, dry region that receives very little rainfall during the year, usually less than 25 centimeters. Sand dunes, small or large hills of loose sand formed by the wind. Lu, hot dry winds. Oasis, a small area in a desert that has a supply of water and is able to support vegetation. Banjaras, desert people who move from place to place in search of water, food and pasture for their animals. Tankas, underground tanks that most villages use to store water. To sum up, the Thar Desert also called the Great Indian Desert, is one of the hottest and driest parts of our country. The Thar Desert lies to the west of the Aravalli Hills and is bordered by the Satluj River basin to the northeast, the Rann of Kutch to the south, and the Indo-Pakistan border to the west. The Great Indian Desert is mostly flat and sandy, but its surface is shaped by strong desert winds and occasional rainfall. The climate of the Great Indian Desert is hot and dry for most of the year. Since there is very little rainfall and long periods of dryness in a desert, only certain types of plants can survive. Animals found in this region are adapted to survive with little water and can handle the hot temperatures. Even though the Thar Desert has a harsh climate, it is home to millions of people who have built a vibrant and colorful life here.